In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads with YouTube, a crucial step for anyone looking to enhance their online marketing efforts. Connecting these two platforms allows you to access better insights and improve your ad targeting, ultimately maximizing the effectiveness of your campaigns. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to access your Google Ads account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Google Ads homepage and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're into your account, you'll find yourself on the overview page, which provides a snapshot of your campaigns and key metrics. Now, it's time to navigate to the right tools to get your YouTube channel connected. Next, look towards the top right-hand section of your screen. There, you'll see a wrench icon, which represents the Tools and Settings menu. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. You're going to want to select Data Manager from this list. The Data Manager is where you'll be handling all your data integrations, including setting up connections between your Google Ads and other platforms like YouTube. Once you're in the Data Manager, you should see a number of options related to data sources. Spot the YouTube option and give it a click. This selection is your gateway to linking your YouTube channel with Google Ads, allowing you to manage your advertising more effectively across both platforms. Now that you're on the YouTube linking page, search for the Link Channel button. Clicking this button initiates the linking process. At this point, you'll be prompted to paste the URL of the YouTube channel you intend to link. To get this, go over to your YouTube channel, copy the URL from the address bar, and then return to Google Ads to paste it into the designated field. After pasting your channel link, you'll need to configure the settings. This stage is crucial as it allows you to customize your linkage based on specific marketing objectives. Here, you can choose various permissions and features to optimize how your YouTube analytics and data are used within Google Ads. Take your time here to set it up according to your needs. Finally, it's time to review all the configurations you've made. Make sure everything is correctly set up and that you've selected all the right options aligned with your marketing goals. If everything looks good, don't hesitate to hit the Submit button. This action finalizes the link between your Google Ads account and your YouTube channel. By following these steps, you've effectively connected Google Ads with your YouTube account, enabling you to better strategize and enhance your digital marketing efforts. Remember, this integration will allow for more targeted advertising and richer insights, paving the way for more successful campaigns. Enjoy utilizing these enhanced capabilities, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.